Hello everybody, this is Myung. Hope you are well. Today I'm going to show you my version of beetroot soup with a special topping and other ingredients that together will lessen the earthiness of the beetroot. It tastes really scrumptious though. Alright, let's begin. For the beetroot soup, 3 beetroots and 1 potato, onion and carrots. I'm going to cook this ginger and onion together with the coconut oil and then cook this beet and then potato, carrot together. And that is going to be in the soup. And this for the taste. This is a bergamot lemon, so this is a seasonal at the moment, so it is very good and different aroma. And this will be topping, and of course this and courgette I will use as a raw, because this courgette is so fresh and nice and it's so sweet as well, so I'm going to use that for topping. This too, I'm going to make like a cheesy dressing with this is a nutritional yeast, and this cashew nut I soaked overnight. This is very big at the moment, so I'm going to blend it. Let's just start chopping. So for this topping, I will grate garlic again. In this way, the garlic doesn't stay in your mouth, but because you are taking raw garlic, you will get lots of benefit. And especially in winter season, lots of virus around, so this will kill the different kind of virus, and this will prevent lots of cancers as well. Why not taking it? And I will add a little bit of this raw onion as well. Slice thinly as much as you can. So it will be enough. 2 teaspoons apple cider vinegar. And this apple cider vinegar with mother also kills the germs, so it's ideal for any time of the year then. Bit of salt, pepper. Gives nice color on top of the violet soup. So this marinate for a while and then I will use it later. Okay, then first chopping this ginger, slice thinly. Ginger is also help the cancer patient to recover quickly. Okay, ginger. Now roughly chop this onion. And now I will chop this, and then when that is cooked, I will put this one in the pan and then cook it all together. See? Look at this color, lovely. So I'm digging this. There's eyes, so you should take it out. This is a kind of poison. There's a solanine. Carrot. I use all the skins. I don't peel it because there's lots of goodness in the skin as well. So, and these are all organics. I use all whole part. Oh, look at my hands. Slice courgette into matchstick, because this is only going to be garnish, so you don't need a lot, but I will use whole because I love it. Okay, I will add in there, so this will be quickly marinated. Okay, I will add this later. Now it's cooking time. Let's cook this. So I'm adding some coconut oil. Cook until onion is all soft. So you can use a stock. When I make like this, I don't need a stock. Okay, now I'm adding this all ingredients. And add some water until this is submerged, yeah? So add some sea salt. Cook until all ingredients are soft. So while this soup is cooking, I will make this sauce. This is about 100 gram cashew nuts soaked overnight and with some water. This is nutritional yeast, 2 tablespoons nutritional yeast, and I will add some lemon and pinch of salt. Okay, just blend it. Yummy. This tastes really good. When you cook this with a potato, you can use like a cheese. It's quite creamy with potato. Okay, this is done. I cut this beetroot to 2 big chunks, so it took longer than I expected. So it took 40 minutes. Now I'm blending it. Yeah. So I added 1.5 tablespoon sea salt altogether. So this is all done. And I will pour this into there. And add this on top. Add bergamot lemon. Okay, it's done. The soup is all done and this is quite hot, so I put this on the bottom and I will mix it and then eat it. Oh, this lovely color. Wow. Really good. Tangy flavor from cashew nut mix and this lemon boosts the flavor. And you know this beetroot has a earthy flavor, but tangy flavor reduces the earthy flavor. So somebody who doesn't like the earthy flavor will love this soup. Just please use the lemon in it. So beetroot has lots of folate and magnesium and nitrate, and on top of that it is antioxidant, so keep you young as well. Okay, Tokin,
Thank you very much, I shall.
I hope you like it because you don't like beetroot.
Well, not that I don't like it, just it's not my favourite.
No.
It's really nice with that cashew nut sauce.
Yeah.
Go very well together. Nicer than the borscht I've tried, you know, the Ukrainian or the Russian soup, whatever it is.
Russian soup, yeah.
So did you put anything in the beetroot?
Just beetroot and potato and carrot,
Oh,
onion, a
Okay.
little bit of ginger, and coconut oil, cooked in the coconut oil.
Lovely that.
I love it.
Really nice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So are you going to give me a thumbs up?
Definitely.
Great, thumbs up. Well done, Myung.
It's really nice with that bread.
It's a sourdough bread. The
The
rye
rye.
bread.
Really goes very well with it.
Yeah.
Try it.
Yeah, it is. So, hope you enjoy my recipe and thanks for watching and be healthy and happy. And please subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up and enjoy this soup. Really good. Alright then, bye!